Hey guys, today we're talking about keto versus intermittent fasting. Let's take a look. First of all, ketosis is where instead of your body burning carbs like bread and grains and fruit and sugars, it's going to be burning fat for fuel. But the difference is that when you do a keto diet, your ketogenic diet is going to be high in fat, it's moderate in protein, and very, very low carb. And so what happens is that when your body doesn't have enough carbs for energy, then ketone bodies are formed and your body then uses fat for fuel. The difference is with intermittent fasting, you're limiting the hours that you're eating. So usually people only eat between 6 to 8 hours a day. Sometimes people eat only 4 hours a day. Sometimes people just eat one meal a day. But instead of you focusing on, oh, I can't have this carb, or you're not counting carbs and all of this, you're just limiting the window of when you can eat. So with intermittent fasting and ketogenic, your fasting depletes your body of having that glucose available, and that stored glycogen is not there, so it's causing it to turn to your fat stores for energy. Both of them are doing that. The difference with intermittent fasting is you're not obsessing over every carb. And when you do that, I see a lot of people, they cannot sustain that keto diet because at some point you go, oh my gosh, I want some bread, I want some sugar, I want some carbs. And it makes you more obsessive. So for me, a ketosis diet, I do try to eat higher fat. I do try to eat higher protein. But if I want bread, I eat bread. I do not deprive myself, because what I say is that when you deprive yourself, it always causes you to binge.